Okay, so before you cut into the jackfruit, Helen, we need to oil the knife with just regular oil, regular cooking oil.
And why is that?
Because there are glue in the jackfruit. So
The latex, is it latex?
It is latex. So now that I have oiled the knife, and then just
Oh my god.
as hard as you can,
It's like Arthur.
and then just cut it open in half.
I'm not very good at this.
Helen, leave it on the board.
Okay, I'm working.
It's okay. It's her first time. It's her first time cutting the jackfruit. This is a 25-pound jackfruit, by the way. This one came from Mexico, but it's very popular in Southeast Asia.
Here, your shot.
Oh no, this is bad. This is a bad jackfruit. This is not right.
Oh,
Here's the latex.
we got hose.
Yeah, we need to throw this away.
Well, we can make some booties out of it.
Oh no. Well, sometimes in life, when we film YouTube videos, does not always go to plan. This is why in Auntie's scrappy cooking, she's going to reuse this and create a dish, a fancy dish out of this that's going to be totally creative and new.
So you can still use the jackfruit in here, but it's not ready to eat because it's not ripe. You can certainly make dishes, vegetarian dishes out of this, but you cannot eat this. He told me to oil the knife.
Uh-huh.
Well, that's his trick.
Yes, to prevent it from sticking to the knife. I don't know. I still see it sticking to the knife. So what we're gonna do
Uh-huh.
is gonna cut this bad boy in half.
Yum.
You want to try the canola away? Here.
Yeah, I got it.
I'm gonna dissect this. I like this part. It's the part that.
It's very violent.
Yes.
Don't be careful of the granite or the countertop, please. Oh, well, what is the countertop made out of? Do you remember?
Granite.
Okay. Gotta make sure. Oh, please be careful.
And don't cut myself.
Yeah, please.
So, ow! I just said don't cut myself, and I did. Francine is right. Her job is to calm me down.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I love it.
Yeah, it looks really good. Look at that.
Perfect.
Yum. You're gonna cut that part off?
Yeah. Okay, Tommy, you're gonna have to wash your hand and take tear some of this up and then put it in a plastic container and take it home.
Yes. So you gotta wipe off the sticky stuff?
Yep.
Is that what you're doing?
Wipe this off. Okay, so we're done. Basically, you can stop videotaping.
You sure?
For every jackfruit, I have to have a video that I carved it out. Cut it for the dramatic.
The drama of cutting.
Yes, of finding out whether it's good or ripe or not. Yeah. So I have to make video where it's not ripe. So this is gonna be a success video.
Indeed. This is the color you want.
Yeah. So the last one
Yeah.
the last one I did a videotape of white. It was bad. Did I show you? Did I post that?
I don't know.
I think I posted that in the family chat.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah. That I was practically crying.
Oh, because you're like, no.
Is that the $50 one? Oh. Did you get a picture of Tommy?
He's in filming. Yeah, he's in the video.
I said to stop.
Yeah, but this is good. This is a good content.
This is a good content.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yes, that's what we like.
Love it.
That is what we like to hear.
Francine is happy about that. Here, get some newspaper. How much did I eat again?
Oh, this much. This much, and like, you see that one?
Yep, I ate all of that. Almost close to that. And all of this. Well, he didn't help me with that. But We have half of this left, so here we go.